Hello. Here is how you edit captions. Go to YouTube. Then go up here to the right-hand corner. Make sure you're signed in to your Weber.edu account. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on Videos here on the left-hand side. And scroll to the video you're going to work on. We are going to work on this video. Click More Options. Scroll down. Usually, you will only see English by YouTube Automatic. I've already started working on these ones, so that's why English by You exists too. Click the three dots, click Edit on Classic Studio, then wait for it to load. Click Edit once again. I always uncheck this Pause Video While Typing box here near the bottom of the screen. There are keyboard shortcuts that are important to know, so I'm going to click on the list to bring it up. Shift right, Shift left, those are good for going forwards and backwards. If you need to add a new line so that there are two lines in a subtitle, you can't just hit enter or else it'll take you to an entirely new subtitle. You have to hit Shift enter. Now that we have the video up, we can start editing. So what you're going to do is you're going to edit for punctuation, like here. H becomes hey. And I hit play so I can see who's talking. Okay, we've got two people talking, so I would also add speaker tags. After the first time, you can just use the first initial, so M for Marilyn and V for Vicky. You'll notice that sometimes a subtitle will include the end of one sentence, the end of a sentence and the start of a next one that really should be on the next subtitle. Here, I'll press play so you can hear it. You can leave that, or you can adjust it. I usually delete the short part, type it in the next subtitle, and then I move the little mover guy over here back a little bit. You can see underneath how the lines move when people are talking. Then when we click play again, it lines up better. So you go through start to finish, putting the information in, and when you're done, you click Save Changes. Now it's overwriting because I already did some, and that's okay. Now you have English subtitles. We're going to pretend I'd done all the editing for this video. I went back to where you can launch the editing platform, and then you click Actions.srt, which will download the subtitle file. Once you have that subtitle file downloaded, name it the same as the video name, so you don't have to include this Y2 mate. You would write Radio Rookies DIY Toolkit and email that back to me. Then I will do the last step of uploading it to amara.org and sending the new URL to the professor. I hope this makes sense. Let me know.